Hi everyone, today we're going to be using our pressure cooker to make a delicious, homemade, healthy beef barley soup. It's very easy to make, it's only a few ingredients, you're going to love it. I also like to rinse and let my barley soak just for a few minutes. We're going to be using about 2.5 pounds of beef eye round. What I also like to do is I like to add 1 cup of red wine. It deglazes the bottom and brings out all that extra flavor. You don't have to use red wine, it is optional. You can use stock or water if you choose to. And we'll let that cook off a little bit, about 5 minutes or so, 5-10 minutes. Wow, that smells amazing. Let's give this a try. Wow. That's so good. If you're not making beef barley soup, you don't know what you're missing. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe.